In this video, we're going to show you how to perform a four-wheel brake bleed on your Ram 1500. This is going to be located in the engine bay and behind all four wheels. Let's get started. Using a clean rag, we're going to clean all around our cap, getting rid of any of the dirt and debris. Remove your cap. The cap usually tells you which fluid to put in. This one is not. We're going to be using .3 fluid in this system. We're going to put that cap to the side. We're going to use our fluid extractor, and we're going to extract all of the old fluid from this master cylinder. Fill the master cylinder to the full line. Fill to the max line and reinstall your cap. We're going to start here on our first wheel in the right rear. Then we're going to move to our second one, which is going to be our left rear. Moving on to our right front, and then finally our left front. Here at the first wheel, we're going to remove our bleeder cap. We're going to use an 11mm wrench, and we're going to put it over that bleeder. Then we're going to install our bleeder bottle. We're going to have an assistant pop in the car, and they're going to pump up the brakes for us. Once they pump up the brake, they're going to hold it. We're going to crack our bleeder free. Their foot is going to go to the floor. Once they hit the floor, they're going to let us know, and then we're going to close our bleeder back up. While we're bleeding it, you're going to see all of the fluid coming out of the hose into our bottle. We're going to continue this process until we have nice clean fluid with no bubbles coming out of all of our calipers. Go ahead and pump them up. Go ahead and pump them up. And one more time. And that'll be our last time. We had nice clean fluid with no bubbles coming out of our hose. We're going to remove the hose from our bleeder. Remove your wrench. Using a clean rag with some parts cleaner, clean up the area if you made any mess, and reinstall your bleeder cap. After we're done bleeding the other side, we'll see you at the master cylinder. Remove the cap, and we're going to top off our master cylinder. Top it off to the max line. Reinstall the cap. Now we're at the right front wheel. Remove the bleeder cap, install the wrench, install your bleeder bottle. Go ahead and pump them up. Pump them up. And that time we had the nice clean fluid coming out of our hose. We're going to go ahead and remove our bleeder bottle, remove our wrench, clean the area if needed, and reinstall our cap. Repeat this process on the left front wheel, and then we'll see you at the master. Remove the cap, and we're going to top off our master cylinder. Top it off to the max line. Install the cap onto the master cylinder. Torque the wheels to 130 foot-pounds in a star pattern, and you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.